Cutting down your footage is the one thing that you'll be doing the most when you're editing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your cutting speed with a few simple techniques inside of DaVinci Resolve to hopefully speed you up. Let's jump right in. I've already got my footage that I'm going to be using down on the timeline, and to start things off we'll come up to DaVinci Resolve, keyboard customization, and the first one that we want to set is called split clips. To find it, you can just go over here to the search bar and type in split clips. So there we are, and from here we're going to come to the little plus icon and you're going to hit that, and now you can press whatever key on the keyboard that you want to set to your split clip. And so I've got mine set to N, so I'm not going to be touching anything, but let's say if you wanted to select if you wanted W, or if you want, like, you can just set it to whatever you want. So once you've got that all saved, you're going to hit save, or in my case I'm going to go cancel. And now when you come along here on the timeline, so if I want it right there, you can simply just press the key you've got. So for me it's N, and it's split the clip. Now I can delete this one, shift backspace. Moving on to the next cutting method, is we'll first come up to keyboard customization, and this time we're going to search for start to playhead and end to playhead. So we're going to come over and we're going to type in start to playhead, and it will be under ripple, so you'll just open that and you've got it here, and same again, you'll hit the plus icon and you'll put in whatever you want from your keyboard, and then once you've done that you'll delete all this, and then you'll go end to playhead, again under ripple, so we're going to open that up, end to playhead, same again, plus, and you'll select whatever key you want to bind these to. I've got mine set to the left bracket and the right bracket because it's sort of, in my head, it's like as if I'm cutting on each side, so it's nice and easy to remember, and it's really in the flow of where my fingers are sitting when I'm editing. And so you'll set that to whatever you want, and then you'll come in and press save, but because I haven't done it, it's not going to allow me, so that's okay, so I'll just go close. And now when I come along here, whenever I press so let's go ripple left, it's going to cut this end of the clip like this, and then it will automatically move everything down. So I'll show an example there. Now I'll go right to playhead like that. So it kind of ripple deletes everything in one direction. So if I was to do this one, I'll go left first and then I'll go right. And so that's basically replacing when you go split clip, delete, shift backspace, and split clip, backspace, because instead you just go boom like that. So it's more, when you think about editing, you want to be trying to not skip as many steps as possible, but make your job as easy as possible so that you can get multiple things done with one click of a button. As always, have an awesome day. If you want to become a better editor, make sure to join the email list down below in the description. Free community there as well for you to jump into, and I'll see you in the next one, which is right here.